Welcome to Pros Cons Review. Let's review motorcycle alarm disc brake lock.
The motorcycle alarm disc brake lock is an essential anti-theft device for motorcycle owners seeking peace of mind. Featuring a robust aluminum alloy construction, this waterproof lock integrates built-in sensors that detect movements and shocks, triggering a piercing 110 decibel alarm that deters potential thieves. Setup is straightforward, with a simple button press activating the locking mechanism. Included with the lock are 2 keys, a hex key, and a reminder cable, making it compatible with most motorcycles and bikes with disc brakes. This combination of durability, security, and ease of use makes it a valuable accessory for any bike owner. High security alarm system. The 110 decibel alarm system provides excellent protection, alerting potential thieves and discouraging theft effectively when the motorcycle is parked in public spaces. Durability and weather resistance. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, this lock is waterproof and can endure harsh weather conditions, promoting longevity and reliable use outdoors. User-friendly operation. Activation of the alarm is quick and straightforward, making it easy for users to secure their motorcycles without any complicated processes. Versatile compatibility. This lock is designed to fit a wide range of motorcycles and bikes with disc brakes, enhancing its usability and practicality for various riders. Sensitivity issues. Some users have reported that the alarm is overly sensitive, triggering even with minor vibrations or movements, which can be frustrating. Mixed feedback on alarm volume. While many praise the alarm's loudness, others find it inconsistently operates, with some experiencing random triggering without apparent cause. Weight considerations. At 13.4 ounces, the lock may feel slightly heavier compared to simpler locks, which could affect portability for some riders. Battery dependence. Though the lock requires no batteries initially, its long-term usability relies on maintaining battery functionality, which could be a drawback for some. The motorcycle alarm disc brake lock is a formidable option for individuals seeking enhanced protection for their motorcycles. Its strong alarm system and robust design provide crucial security, while its user-friendly setup makes it accessible for all riders. However, potential buyers should consider the sensitivity issues reported by some users, as unwanted alarms could lead to frustration. Ultimately, if you prioritize security and durability above all else, this lock is a wise investment for protecting your motorcycle from theft. In contrast, those who prefer a lightweight solution or are deterred by the prospect of battery maintenance may want to explore alternative options.
Are you excited to make a purchase? Or do you need a little more time to decide? No need to hurry. Check out the product link in the description below. Just click on it to explore the Amazon website, where you can dive into more details and read reviews that will help you make the best choice. Happy shopping!